What's up, guys? I'm giving you a bonus video this week, and this video is a quick, easy, simple, short one. It is 5 techniques that have been proven throughout the years in the DJ industry on how you can elevate your services. Grab something to drink, hang out, and let's go through 5 of them very quickly. Yo! Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Bonus video! I'm giving you 5 proven techniques that have been absolutely, without a doubt, proven time and time again. DJs big, small, multi-ops, solo ops, doesn't matter how you operate or what type of services that you offer clients. These are 5 proven techniques that are going to elevate your wedding and event services if you are a brand new DJ. Let's do this. Number 1, have a diverse music selection. What does this mean? It means expand your music library to include a wide range of genres and eras. Don't just have a library that's all brand new hip-hop or 80s and 90s. Make sure that your versatility allows you to cater to diverse audiences and adapt to different event themes and preferences. Tip number 2, make sure you do skillful mixing and have good transitions. Now, you make sure that you hone your mixing skills to create seamless transitions between every song. A smooth and creative mixing style is what keeps your energy on the dance floor and maintains the flow of the event. Now, you're going to get DJs out there who say, I've never mixed in my life. I just play, I just push play, I fade from left and right, no mixing is necessary. Well, I can tell you guys that if you go up against a client and you give them 2 different types of mixes, one where a DJ is mixing, has really good transitions, it's very smooth from one song to the next, and then you give her another mix where there's no mixing at all. It's just push, play, stop, maybe simple fading left and right, nothing crazy, maybe even some dead air. I can tell you, majority of the time, and this has been proven, that a client is going to choose the DJ that knows how to mix and transition music properly. Number 3, have an interactive DJ set. So what do I mean by this? Engage with your crowd by incorporating different types of interactive elements into your sets. This could involve call and response moments, live remixing, or just encouraging audience participation. This is where having really good MC skills come in handy as well. Number 4, make sure you have customized playlists and take requests. So you guys want to make sure that you're working closely with your clients to curate different types of playlists that align with their vision. Additionally, make sure that you're open to taking requests during the event to assure that all the guests are hearing the stuff that's going to keep them on the dance floor. Obviously, use discretion. If your dance floor is packed, somebody comes up and requests something that you know is going to clear the place out, then obviously you don't want to play stuff like that. But don't just regurgitate and recycle your playlist from event to event to event. Make sure that everything is unique, it's different, and you're giving your clients something that is truly special, and it's not just like the wedding that they were at last weekend or the wedding happening down the street. So make sure that whatever your playlists are, the different types of music that you're playing, the different songs that you have, make sure that it's different from event to event. There are certain songs that obviously do follow from event to event that you know that do work, but don't just play it in the same order, the same style, whatever. Make sure that you're doing unique playlists from event to event. My last tip, number 5. Guys, I can't express this enough. Please, please, please invest in top-notch, high-quality equipment and sound and lighting. When you invest in crystal clear sound and captivating visuals and lighting effects, it enhances the overall experience and it sets you apart from the guy down the street who's buying all his gear off of Wish or Temu or eBay. Make sure you're using good quality name brand equipment so that you don't have any problems and everything comes across as polished and professional. These 5 tips, like I said, they've been proven over and over and over again that when applied effectively, they will help you as a DJ stand out from the competitive DJ industry. We know that DJs are a dime a dozen. There's DJs charging thousands and thousands of dollars, and there's DJs that are charging $100 for a 10-hour gig. But if you apply these 5 techniques effectively, you're going to leave a lasting impression on your clients and audiences. You're going to get those amazing 5-star reviews. You're going to get put on preferred vendor list, and you're going to come across as a true professional in the industry. Not just a hack job, not just an amateur, a professional. And that's what we all vie for. That's everything that we always want to be, and that's everything that we want to give our clients. There you go. Quick 5 techniques, proven techniques, as a bonus video this week. Thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, and subscribed. Keep doing that. Keep subscribing. Keep hitting that bell notification, because there are going to be times where I do throw out these quick bonus videos from time to time, and you don't want to miss them. As I always say, a day without dancing is a day wasted. Go out there, have fun, kick ass, be an awesome DJ. More importantly, be a good human being. Until next week, my friends, take care.